It's week 4 of the community quarantine, and by now, I think you'll all agree with me when I say na we've been dying to dine in at the restaurant. And that we're tired of eating the same sardines and instant noodles every other day. Well, Shakey's Japan just recently released their recipe for their famous Mojos. And since we're all stuck at home, we're gonna try to make it at home. This is quarantine cooking episode 2. First off, cut the potatoes in 9mm slices. Next, microwave the sliced potato spuds for 5 minutes. And while we're waiting for that, we can go ahead and prepare the breading mix. First, we put in a bowl chicken breading mix, add in salt and then pepper. Mix everything together. Well, the recipe doesn't call for it, but we put the spuds in egg first before tossing it in the breading mix. Deep fry the potatoes until golden brown. For the dip, just combine minced garlic, mayo, salt and pepper, and then lemon. Next will be the garlic parmesan and buffalo wings of, well, every other chicken wing restaurant you can think of. Slice and season your wings with salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, lemon, onion powder, and garlic powder. Prepare the breading. We used flour, salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Toss the wings in the breading. Deep fry until golden brown and remove from the pan. Using a clean pan, put in butter. Then the chopped garlic. Put the fried chicken back in. Add some Parmesan. Mix, then transfer to a bowl, then start shaking everything together. For the buffalo wings, put in butter. Then put in some Tabasco sauce. Put the fried chicken back in. Mix, then transfer to a bowl and shake. That's it for today's episode of Quarantine Cooking. Simple, restaurant-like meal you can enjoy yourself or with your family. You can make it yourself, it's very easy. Show me what you've come up with. Tag me on Instagram at @Villanueva. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this simple meal. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe down below. Also, hit the bell button beside it to be notified pag may mga bago akong upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!